guys? Mama and I did try out some more. Well, I guess this is my last video for the Mama and Hunter. Hopefully y'all have been enjoying the channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed the channel. But you know, this is the last video, and I want to let you guys know what Duke right here was good. Whoops. Alright, sorry about that. But yeah, let's do this. But yeah, guys, guess what? I'm starting a new channel today. I'm gonna put my first video up. It's gonna be a gaming video, don't worry. The new channel's name, this video is gonna be on Mama and Hunter, but the new channel name will be you guessed it, the Piggy Gamer. Sorry, but yeah, welcome. I am now the Piggy Gamer. Sorry, but yeah, I'm the Piggy Gamer now. Hopefully you all enjoyed Mom and the Hunter, but this is the end. And I'm now Piggy the Gamer.